What's up, guys? Steve here from Card Break NL, getting ready for our mini number 2 in our 500 break. This person will get the last spot in the break. So last spot mojo, hopefully. We're live. Good luck. 4 times at random. Top name after 4 will be the lucky winner. Let's check it out. It's 9-11 in Newfoundland. Here's your list. We got Aaron, spot 1. Matt, spot 30. Again, 9-11. Good luck. 1, 2, 3. Is the timestamp? Timestamp on 3. 9-11. Just turned 9-12. Last up on random will give us our winner. Good luck. There you go. Dean never moved from spot number 2. Congrats, Dean. We'll copy that over for you. 4th timestamp after 4 is at 9-12. 9-12 it is, and there you go. Dean, spot 2 winner for you. Congrats. You're the last person to get a spot in our break number 500. Happy New Year, guys. All the best. We'll see you on Tuesday for the big break.